All right, so we are here doing the Ribbon Lab. We started off doing the M, showed you how to do the M. There's a video for that. And then yesterday we did the N, or the Netflix logo. Today we're going to create a P. So I'm just go up here and do File New. If you just open it, you're fine. What I like is they keep these recent items here, so you can just select this one. This is, if you set up the previous one the correct way, then you just do Create, which is actually really nice. Let me move this real quick out of the way here. All right, so we're going to do P. P's a fairly simple letter. It's a little more involved than the N and possibly even more than the M, but we'll see. So we're going to start off with the letters, the lines. I'm sorry. So here's your first tool. If sometimes this gets hidden, it just hides or something like this. If you go up here to this top switch workspace and do Reset Essentials, it resets everything back. Anything that was hidden, all that stuff. So what I'm going to do is going to go ahead and do lines. To get to the line tool, I hold down my mouse button onto the rectangle here, and then select Line Segment tool. And I'm gonna draw the left side of the P. So I'm going to hold down Shift. Holding down Shift will keep me locked in 45 degrees. I'm going to draw one line like this, and then I need to decide how wide my ribbon's going to be. Something like this, maybe, I don't know. And so when you start drawing the second line, again, make sure that you have this pink guideline showing. And if I click and drag it, holding down Shift, I should at the bottom here also have a pink guideline and have it snap. Okay, that ensures that this point and this point are parallel or aligned with each other. Next thing I want to do is probably do the top of the P. To do that, I'm going to actually just select these lines and copy them just so I can get the same spacing throughout everything. I'm going to go over to Edit, Copy, or you can use Control C, and then Edit, Paste. You'll see that I have another set of lines here without deselecting them. If I actually do deselect them, just select and highlight both of them. I want to turn this 90 degrees. Again, hold down Shift. It locks everything in like that. This is using the black selection tool. Move it over here. You want to do it till it snaps. You kind of see it says intersect in the top left corner. So that's the top of my P. I'm going to do Edit, Paste again to get to the other side of the P. Again, just make sure everything snaps. I'm trying to get a good P. Okay. And then I'm going to paste again. So I get another set of lines. Rotate 90 degrees, holding down Shift. And this will be the bottom of the P. The bottom of the P, I'm not going to go all the way across, actually. I'm going to do like this, so it kind of looks like it ends. The ribbon's going to end here. All right, so now all I have to do is draw a couple extra lines. I do the Select Line tool, the Line tool. I'm going to go from this anchor point to this anchor point. Remember, make sure that it snaps. Otherwise, when we color these, they won't color correctly. Make sure it says intersect. Again, you can make your P however you want to make it look, but this is how I'm doing mine. Intersect. And then I'm going to do a line here at the end. You could even make this line like curved or something like that. I'm just going to make it straight. A line here to here, and a line from here to here. Make sure that they're snapping. When you see that purple stuff, you know that it's snapped correctly. All right, so black selection tool, I'm sorry, select all those. We're going to cut out all the things we don't need using the Shape Builder tool. Click that. Again, the key here is to use Alt. If I hold down Alt, I can start subtracting these lines. Or normally it would just be adding, but if I hold down Alt, you'll see that I can actually start subtracting some of these lines. I can actually click and drag as well, or I can just click on the lines and have them subtract. However you want to do it. All right, and if you accidentally delete a line that you didn't mean to delete, just do Edit, Undo, and it'll put it back. So Edit, Undo will do that. And then you got to decide how the P is being folded. There's a couple You can make it where it looks like this, right? So it looks like it's folded up and then down again. You can make it fold like this, right? So there's different ways and different styles you can play with when you do the folding text thing. Um, I'm just going to pick a random one. I don't really have a anything in mind here. Like that. That's kind of cool. All right. So there we go. You got your P. Again, with the shape builder tool still selected, we can start coloring this in. Let's see, what color should we do? Um, let's do brown. Sure, brown. We haven't done brown. Brown. There you go. Got a brown P here. If I select it all, I can turn the stroke off as well. Turn the stroke off. Boom. You're done. Right. Again, it depends on how you fold it. You can color however you want to color it. All that cool stuff. So that's the P.